Howdy, people. Most of the time I'm airbrushing, but I do all the cooking in the house, so I'm telling you what, tonight it's crab legs and it's shrimp scampi. Oh yeah. So hey, I'm going to show you how we do it in the oven. It's a little too cold outside to sit there and be doing the whole hot grilling action and smoking and stuff, but today we're doing it in the oven. So check it out. Oh yeah. Hello, my people. Airbrushing by day, hot culinary genius by night. Dr. Flavor is on the case. Tonight, crab legs and shrimp scampi. So we got almost 7 pounds here. And because the grill is unavailable due to our weather, they are going in the oven for 45 minutes at 350 degrees. Oh, they are going to be nummy. Yes. So why are we baking them rather than steaming? Steaming leaves too much water in them, and they get cold real quick. But either on the grill or in the oven, they stay hot a lot longer. It actually crystallizes the shells, so it's easier to pull out big chunks of meat, and leaches a lot of the salt water out of them. So their flavor is so much better. They're hotter, and Chris and Melissa really enjoy them that way versus steaming. And also in steaming, if you don't get the time just right, they get soggy, and that poses problems on the whole Dr. Flavor thing when they get soggy. I wanted to show these to you guys. We got these off of Amazon. So we got a little tea light on the bottom. Pop a big old chunk of butter, maybe a little bit of garlic, and keeps the butter nice and hot. Hot for hot dipping crab leg action. Oh yeah. All right, we got our shrimp laid out. Just thawed them. Now we're gonna add lemon pepper, olive oil, garlic powder, maybe some Italian spices, and butter. And then sit there and let that rest for a while. We only want to cook it for about 10 minutes. If you cook them too long, these bad boys get powdery. We want them nice and firm, but cooked all the way through, but not powdery. That's icky. All right? Dr. Flavor's on the case. Yeah. All right, they are ready to go in the oven. So I got olive oil, garlic, lemon pepper, and butter, and just a splash of lemon juice. That'll help. And remember, we're going in for 10 minutes, and I'll be checking on them regularly. Once that goes down and they turn pinkish red, it's time to yank them. I don't want to overcook them. No powder here. No powder. About 10 minutes to go, people. I got the tea lights lit. Butter is melting. Tables are out. Crackers, shrimp fork. Gotta get the paper towel because there's gonna be a lot of shiny chins here with all the butter. Oh yeah. Hot crab legs action. Oh, I'm so excited. Coming soon.
Really? I'm just being funny.
Okay, hey. Oh yeah. So Chris got her share. Alyssa, yeah, she's throwing down. The chef has had nothing yet, but they are cooked and steaming and glorious. And here's our shrimp scampi.
Here.
Who's excited? Oh yeah.
I'll share some with
Oh,
you.
there you go. Thank you. It's good enough to pick my teeth. It is very good. Thanks, guys, for watching. We're gonna chow down. Hot crab leg action. Gonna be heading to New York soon, and then off to the UK. So, hey, stay tuned. This is my first cooking video for Stuartizm Designs. Dr. Flavor is on the case, right, guys?
Shh, we're eating.
Okay. Enjoy, people. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. More coming.